everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Google Assistant on Android phones. So you want to go to top right and go to settings. Now if you have like a Google Pixel, you can just select your profile on the top here and go to your Google account. If you have Samsung, you need to go to Google Services right here. Select this. Then go to All Surfaces, go on down. And we want to go to where it says Search Assistant Voice. Now under here I have the option for voice match. You need to go to this later, but you need to set it up first. So you're going to need to go to where it says Devices. And select this. Add a device. And then set up on your current device, your phone. And you're going to have to download something. I believe it's called Google Home. So you can just set this up, and it's going to download that on here. So here's Google Home, I believe. So once you have that downloaded, you should have the option called Voice Search on there now. So we can go back to here. And then you can turn on Hey Google. So let's go back. Go back. Go back. So we should have that on. So let's go back to Google Assistant. Now voice match should be on the top and unlocked as a feature. We can go to here. And we should have the option now to turn on Hey Google. So we have it right here, so we can go back now. We can go back. Now if it still doesn't switch over, you can go over to the Gemini settings and you can switch it on over from Gemini to Google Assistant. There should be an option there. So you can see use Gemini, no thanks. So I went ahead and set this up with my voice. And all I have to do is say, Hey Google. And it'll just automatically pop up for me now. So I don't have to press any buttons. So just come here and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.